We are entering our healthy era. That's why nag-shopping ako sa healthy options. And it's actually my first time going there. Super nice pala. Ang dami nilang products doon. Like other than healthy options. Literal, healthy options talaga. May mga organic, vegan. Maraming options doon. And here are the things that I got. Talaga yung pinunta ko. Kailangan ko kasi ng Quaker Oats. Well, hindi to Quaker, pero oats siya. And kasi nga, 'di ba, healthy living na tayo. So, usually kasi pag nagbe-breakfast ako, rice. Pero ngayon, itatry kong mag-oatmeal. So, yun lang talaga dapat yung bibilhin ko. Pero ang dami pang goodies doon. So, eto, I also want to try this. An organic chew. So, I'm gonna eat this whenever I run. So, pero tikman na natin eh. Sabi dito, it's a Pro Bar Bolt. And plant-based siya, organic, chewy bites of energy. Help you step up your game when you need it. So cute. I'm just gonna take again tomorrow. And I also wanna try this Energy Square. So my energy bar din siya. And the flavor, peanut butter, dark chocolate. It's cafe with benefits. Sweetened naturally, no sugar, alcohols. Ooh. Yeah. I also wanna try this. And then, last two are these protein shakes. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko to gagawing shake kasi wala naman akong dito, blender. Pero gagawin natin ang paraan. I also need protein. Ang daming kailangan gawin pag gusto mong maging healthy. Pero yon, ang mahal niya din. Ang mahal din maging healthy, no?